Hi everyone, Tony here. Welcome back to Tony's Novice Tutorials. Today we are looking at the massive battle between Xfinity and Astound Broadband to see who has the best internet deal. Now, navigating their websites to find the actual price can get a little confusing, but don't worry, it's not rocket surgery. Let's be honest for a second. We've all seen those flashy internet flyers promising blazing fast speeds for next to nothing. It looks amazing. But the internet companies love hiding the real contract deep inside pages of terms and conditions written in letters so small you need a microscope to read them. They count on you signing up, forgetting about it, and then bam, 1 year later, your bill doubles and you're left holding a financial time bomb. Most of us don't have the time or patience to read 40 pages of corporate legal jargon. Heck, my toxic trait is thinking I could read a full user agreement on the first try. But you don't have to. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini to act as your personal customer advocate. We are going to take the actual deal links from Xfinity and Astound, feed them straight into the AI, and force it to strip away the marketing fluff. It is going to calculate exactly what your bill will jump to the second your discount expires, and then we will export the whole breakdown into a clean spreadsheet with a single click. Now, I have a foolproof plan to get this done, assuming the fool isn't me. And the first thing we want to do is open up Gemini. Before we go grabbing web addresses, we want to lay down our instructions. I call this prompt the Sticker Shock Eliminator. You don't have to worry about memorizing it or typing it out yourself. I've got the exact text sitting right down in the description box below this video. All you have to do is copy it from there, right-click inside the empty Gemini prompt box and hit paste. It reads, "Act as a customer advocate. Compare the internet plans from these two URLs. I need a plan that gives me standard high-speed home internet. Break down the upfront monthly promotional costs, expose any hidden equipment rentals or infrastructural surcharges, and calculate exactly what my monthly bill will jump to the day the discount period ends. Put this into a clean, simple comparison table." Now that we have our blueprint locked in place, let's go gather our raw materials and fill in those two bracketed spaces. So to get the live links, just open up the two new tabs in your browser. And as here it says insert Xfinity URL. We'll go to the Xfinity site. We'll copy the URL. Come back here and inside the brackets, we'll paste it. Then for the second one, insert the Astound URL. Go to Astound. We'll copy their link. And then we'll paste it right in there. Now they hide this stuff in the disclaimers, fine print button on the bottom. But feeding these two direct URLs straight into these brackets, we are forcing the AI to go behind the curtain for us. Let's hit the submit button and see what happens. While it's actively scanning through the pages of corporate legalese, that loading bar might move slower than a snail on a cold morning, but it's doing all the heavy lifting so we don't have to. Let's see what kind of numbers it spits out. Look at that, right there on the screen. It stripped out all the flashing banners and gave us the raw facts. Right here, their advertised base price for both Xfinity broadband, mandatory auto pay, equipment rental fees, hidden infrastructure fees, data caps, promotional period, upfront one-time fees, estimated upfront monthly totals, post-promo base rate jump, critical month, month 13, and this is where it tells you where the bills jump up. At the bottom here, it's got some takeaways, the Astound price for life illusion, the hidden fee champion, surprising value, and then your recommendation. So after the recommendation, you might not be ready to make your final decision. So I would put in another prompt, which will be in the description, to create a comparison table that I could export into Google Sheets, and it'll start working on that. And just like that, Gemini built a complete spreadsheet for you. You didn't have to format a single grid line. Now you have a clean, solid piece of paper to look at. You could print this out, put it on the fridge, use it as ammunition the next time you call your current internet provider to demand a discount. Navigating these bills doesn't mean you need an advanced tech degree. You just need to know how to forge the tools to do the hard work for you. And over here on the right, you have your print, or you could download it. Hit download. Have your internet plan there. You can open it right up. And there you have that for future reference. I've put the exact template prompt we used today down in the description box below, along with the official links to check out these deals for yourself. If this quick guide helped you spot a hidden fee or saved you a couple bucks on your next utility bill, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Tony's Novice Tutorials. Let's save your cash first and ask questions when we come to them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fix.